Hi guys. Today we will discuss about 3 biggest inventions in the history of world. These inventions have been changed the theory of world. Let's come. Number 1. Mobile phone. Mobile phone have become the most important part of life. Martin Cooper was the first inventor of first handheld phone. Motorola launched this Dynattack in 1984. Its weight is over a kilogram. Number 2. Computer. The computer was invented by Charles Babbage in 1822. First computer was filled in a room. Number 3. Electric bulb. The first electric bulb was invented by Thomas Edison in 1880. This bulb was manufactured by wide range of size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget for subscribe.